possibilities. Hold on, get out of my way. Sorry I pushed you, Maggie. I want to jam out. Okay, so even though this outfit isn't exact, it's really giving me Kim Possible vibes, so I decided to put on this really great performance for you guys. Are you ready? Kind of start on the ground. You guys are not ready for this. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me because I'm Kim Possible.
Hello and I haven't done this forever. Okay.
Hello and welcome to the first episode of Where's My SD Card? Yep, that's what this series is totally gonna be called. And yeah, I'm actually filming this on my phone right now because I looked all over my room for my SD card and I couldn't find it. So we have this. At least I get to use the cool filters on Snow. I didn't use any face filters, but I think it's smoothing my skin anyway because my skin doesn't look this good. It never looks this good. But yeah, I need to remember to look into the camera. Okay, now I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into the actual topic of the video, which is my back to school haul. And I did one of these last year and the year before that, and I actually don't know how many years I've been on YouTube, but I think I've done them every single year since I started. Okay, so the first thing I'm actually gonna do is move this stuff out of the background. So yeah, let's do that. You guys get to watch this great, these great clips that are totally not useless. Please don't click off the video. Yeah, don't click off the video. You know you want to see me move this tripod. Yeah, okay. What's that? Oh, my camera battery's gonna be moved too because it doesn't look aesthetic enough for me. Ow. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show in my haul is from CVS, and it is this Petit Pera. It's just this lip tint, and I have actually been wanting this one for a while. And so I got it in the color Beauty Peak Rose, and yeah, it's called the Velvety Lip Tint.
And I wanted this for a while. I bookmarked it on YesStyle and Amazon, but we saw it on CVS, so I was like, gotta get it. And it's a lot more expensive at CVS, but we had a coupon, so it was only $9. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm actually gonna put it on right now because I'm not wearing any other makeup, and I want to wear at least something because I don't know, I feel like you have to wear something if you make a video. So yeah, it's a good consistency, nice and liquidy. My descriptions are good. You see, it goes on like a really nice, like, bold color. Ta-da! See how easy that was? You should totally get it. It's really hot in here, so I'm gonna turn on a fan. If you guys hear the sound, put up with it because I'm hot. And now it's gonna be cold in here. Yep.
So now I'm going to do clothing, and yeah, I went to this shop called Rue 21. I didn't think I would like it, but it actually ended up making me change like my whole entire style, and I'm really excited because I've never worn clothes like this before. But yeah, the first thing that I picked out was this jacket, and it is just like a basic bomber type jacket, and it's this really pretty bright red with a clean white stripe down the side, 2 of them actually. They are some nice parallel lines if I do say so myself. And yeah, when I saw this I was just like, that's cute. It doesn't match my aesthetic, but that's cute. So then I ended up picking a ton of other stuff that matches the same aesthetic, and I'm super excited about it. So yeah.
Also, I cut my hair. I didn't say that, and I made a video, but I haven't posted it yet because I didn't finish it. But yeah, I don't need it. I'm gonna jump around from stores a lot because I want to make outfits together, and I'm gonna describe each of the outfits. You probably have already seen the outfit that I put together. This is probably overlaid over my stupid talking. But yeah, this skirt is from Charlotte Russe, and I actually don't like Charlotte Russe anymore, even though I know I said it was my favorite store in other videos. I don't really like it anymore because I feel like it's too sparkly and overdone. But this skirt is super plain. It has this super thick foamy material, just like the black skirt that I have. It's like super thick and flouncy and bouncy, and I tried it on and I was like, this is too small, but it's cute, so I'm gonna stuff myself into it. Take a minute to appreciate the floof of this skirt. Oh my god, it's so cute. Da, 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 da. So here's the outfit that I put together, and I like this outfit because it combines like a girly aesthetic with this like cool hip-hoppy aesthetic. Now it's time to move on to the next item. The next store, it's the same store as the first item, Rue 21, the star of today. I got this shirt. It is just this checkerboard pattern, and I saw it in the dressing room, so I was just like, it was like on display, and I was just like, nope, that's mine, not display. It's actually from the men's section. This is a size small, as big as it is. It like goes past my knees, like you can't even tell that I'm not wearing any pants now. Ha ha ha. But yeah, I think that this is a good aesthetic. How many times have I said, but yeah, it's my new peace sign, I guess. But yeah. So, my dog is here now, she's right there. But yeah, these are, I need to stop saying but yeah, it's making me cringe, so I'm sure it makes you cringe too, so I'm not gonna say it anymore. If I say it, I'll make a new video for every time I say but yeah after this point. Go. Here's the next item. It is also from Rue 21. It is some black overalls that are short, and
I like them. They were cheap. I'm struggling so hard not to say the cursed words. So for this outfit, I decided I'm way too edgy to wear both straps, obviously. So that's why I only have one on. Whee! Have the time of our lives, right, Maggie?
Now, I'm not wearing pants with this shirt, and also the camera's too low. There we go. Now you guys will never be able to see. Not like you would ever be able to anyway. I am a respectable person, alright?
But yeah. I said it again. That's one more video for you guys. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. Make sure to hit subscribe if you want to see that. And now I will be showing the next item. These are some pants that are also from Rue 21, and I saw them on the rack. Actually, there was a different pair that I saw, and these ones were next to it, and I bought both of them because obviously I have a problem with spending money, so I had to get both. I really like the squares on the side. As you can see, they match the shirt that I'm wearing right now. I'm a little bit obsessed with this pattern, so I keep buying it, and I don't think I will ever stop now that I've already indulged in this madness. So here's the next outfit featuring this lovely red shirt from Walmart. A jean jacket would look cool with this, hold on. Here. There we go. And the next store that I'm going to be talking about is Target, and I only got one thing from Target, and it is this jumpsuit looking thing. It matches this shirt almost perfectly, and I actually matched the dressing rooms when I tried this on, and I thought that was pretty lit, bruh. So yeah, I got this. It has this little hole right here that I'm going to keep pulling down whenever I wear it, but it's cute, so I will definitely wear it. Yeah, it has a little stripe down the side. Okay, so I realized I never showed off this jacket before in a video, so this is from Forever 21. It has these rose patterns on it. It's not part of my haul, but now it is, even though I got it a long time ago. Another thing I got from Charlotte Russe is this long sweatshirt dress, and I'm so excited about this because it's so comfortable. It has the two stripes that you guys, actually this one has 3, so that first one had 2, this one has 1, and this one has 3. Isn't that so cool? Coincidence? Yeah. This is a sweater dress. Well, that totally wasn't a fail. Next up, we have the original pants that I saw, that when I got the checkered pants, I saw these first. And these are just camouflage, so you're not gonna be able to see my legs, but I mean, they're cool, but yeah, I'm totally not gonna be able to see my legs at all. Camouflage jokes are so good and so hip and trendy. There are stripes on the side. There's a black on the outside, and a white, and then a red, and then it repeats a little bit. I am trying so hard not to say those words. I know I said so yeah earlier, but I never said that I wasn't allowed to say that. So yeah.
Okay, so even though this outfit isn't exact, it's really giving me Kim Possible vibes, so I decided to put on this really great performance for you guys. Are you ready? Kind of saw on the ground. You guys are not ready for this. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me because I'm Kim Possible. There's nothing I can do. Just know that I'm on my way. Me on my way. No matter where or when there's trouble, if you just call my name, Kim Possible. Call me, me, one thing, so ever you need me, babe. That's middle. That was very fun, so I'm going to do the full song for you guys instead of stopping at 1 minute like Snow makes me do. So I'm going to keep going. Snow, you can't stop my camera on me at exactly 1 minute. I need some full blast. Trouble, I'm there on the trouble. Know that you always get impossible. Oh wait, I want to say that in sync with her. Hold on. I can't do it. Oh my god, I need to do this now. I'm not a musically kid. I'm sorry. I give up. But yeah, that's my performance. Are you guys very happy? Isn't that so good quality?
I just realized I said but yeah, so I have to make another video, so that's a total of 2 videos for you guys. You guys better be excited because I would say that I'm not, but I am because I need to make more videos for you guys. your girl realized that she took off the shirt she was wearing before showing off the next item, so your girl has a blanket now. And I'm going to stand off to the side. This next item is from H&M. It says possibilities, so you know that means I'm going to be jamming out to possibilities. And on the back it says, I don't know what it says. It says true happiness, something that we all hope for but we know it doesn't exist. Just kidding, you can have true happiness if you like this video. It's the secret to all of your life's problems. Please like and subscribe. This is not false advertising. But yeah, there's 3 videos. This is from H&M and my friend Han Banan Fam. Why is my hand shaking? She picked this out for me along with some shoes that I'm going to wear in the outfit. So yeah, the shoes that you see are also going to be from H&M. Okay, so here the outfit is. Oh wait, I wanted to jam out to possibilities. Oh, get out of my way. Sorry I pushed you, Maggie. I want to jam out. Oh, she's licking my leg. Ah. Here we go. It's actually called One Kiss, but I call it possibilities. I don't know why.
Okay, time to start that music. I'm gonna tilt this down so you can see the shoes more because they're cute as heck, not that far down. You can see my doggo too. She's gonna jam out with me, so it's gonna be fun. Why is my life like this? Did you like the trash that you guys just saw? I don't know the lyrics. Here we go. Possibilities. Yeah. I said it again for you. Kisses on the day, fall in love with me.
Okay, now it's time for, I think this is the last item besides school supplies. I need to do school supplies. But yeah, let me, 5! Woo! Oh. Why does this just start happening? Okay, here's the next item. It is from Charlotte Russe, and it's just these red shorts with these little flowy things on the ends. And it has this like cute little polka dot pattern in like a light pinky white. And even though they don't match the rest of this aesthetic, they were very cute and they reminded me of like Red Velvet's Red Flavor. Maybe I should jam out to that next. And I actually know the dance to Red Flavor, so you guys are not ready for this.
Okay, you guys are not ready for this. I'm gonna dance Red Flavor for you guys. Let's go. My dog's right there. She might get in the way, but oh well. I'll step on her if it's required. What? Oh. One more time. I'm Wendy. You didn't. That was in the last clip. Okay, I kind of want to finish the dance, but Snow keeps cock blocking me, so I'm gonna keep going from this part. I don't know where I am. I just messed up this part. I screwed that up. I'm gonna keep going because I want to do it, even though you guys probably don't care at all. I feel like it, okay? I never got to do this one because my friend, my singular friend, yeah, I'm talking about you, you know who you are, bailed on us. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, that was bad. Look, I didn't mess up that part entirely. Here's the part! I can't do it.
Okay, so Snow ended, and I'm lazy to restart it, and also because I don't want to do that part again. So yeah, let's just move on to the next item. I got these Nike slides at Kohl's for only $19.
$19 for some Nike slide. They were actually $19.50. I lied to you, I'm sorry. But holy crap, I was so excited. They didn't have a tag on them. I took it to the customer service desk, and they were just like, what? They are $19.50. And I was like, ooh, that's a great price. So yeah, I had to get them. Here's some shots of my ugly toenails. I hope you guys like them. They are kawaii as heck. I also like to paint my toenails to different colors because I think it makes me more unique because I'm a pretty boring person on the daily. And I also like my dog more than I like my own feet, so. Okay, I keep lying to you guys about what the last item is going to be for clothes, but I keep lying to you guys about what the next item is going to be for clothes, so yeah.
I actually got some leggings from Rue 21 as well, and they're just standard leggings, so that's why I'm not going to bother trying them on. But they're actually a lot softer than regular leggings. That's why I liked them a lot.
And these are pretty staple for my wardrobe. I am always too lazy to want to, do the thing with jeans left. Yeah, I don't want to do that, so I wear leggings. I will wear the same leggings for a week with no shame because I don't want to wear jeans and I don't like to wash my clothes. That's a TMI, but fun fact about me, I'm actually disgusting.
That also wasn't the last item, and also I changed my shirt because it goes better with this item, and I wanted to show off this item. Also from Rue 21, the MVP store of the day, of the year, of the century. I got this beret. My mom told me that I would never wear it, and she's probably right, but I actually have wanted a beret forever. And there's like a ton of stupid stuff that I keep wanting in my head, and I know I'm never gonna wear it, but like if I don't get it, it's gonna be on my head forever, just like the tragic bangs incident of 2nd grade. Those were some rough times, because I have a small forehead. It did not look good at all. But yeah, I was super excited about this. Before I show you guys aesthetic shots of that, I'd like to show you another tragic incident of I want it so bad it's not out of my head, so I better get it out of my head. This skirt, I think I wore it in my Disney Princess video when I was Rapunzel, but I've never worn this out of the house. It is a tutu, what is this called, tulle skirt? But yeah, I knew I was gonna say it, and I still said it anyway. What's that, 7 videos? Okay. I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Who cares? This skirt is not wearable outside of the house or outside of videos. The end. Time to try my beret. Here's another fun fact. I don't know how to put on a beret, so I just set it on my head, and it looks fine. I think it's cute. Yeah, it has these little metal rings on it. Time for aesthetic shots.
Okay, because I have a dog here and I feel like my cat brand is not really like a prevalent thing, I'm gonna wear these cat ears. Aren't I so cool?
Time to move on to school supplies. Let's go. So it's actually a real lame-o with my school supplies, and you know what this means also, because I got 2 white notebooks.
I wonder what that means. I do a school supply decorating video almost every year. I think I did it every year that I've been on this channel. So obviously I have no idea what I'm gonna do with these plain white notebooks, like a blank canvas, perfect for decorating. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them at all.
And along with these 2 blank notebooks, I actually got 2 blank folders.
I have no idea what I'm gonna do with these perfectly blank canvases, perfect for decorating, begging to be bedazzled and decorated. Yeah, but Snow decided to cut me off, but these folders are just like, please like the video so that we can be decorated. Call 1-800, subscribe to my channel, or else I will make a threat.com/1-800 OxyClean. Like the video if you want to see me decorate these. But I have to make 7 videos anyway, so that shouldn't be a problem. Even if you don't like the video, I will still make the video because I know you guys are just playing hard to get.
And the last school supplies that I got were these pencils. They were $5. They're mechanical pencils. There's 50 of them.
When I write with them, they make my handwriting look more awful than it is usually, and they're so plasticky they cut into the paper. But I keep losing pencils. I don't want to keep sharpening pencils, so I need mechanical pencils, and I'm also cheap, so I didn't want to buy the good ones.
Wasn't that a good jump scare, right? Just wanted to say, those are all from Target. All of the school supplies I got from Target.
Okay, so that is going to be the end of this video. Even though I am sad to see this video end, I know that the end is just the beginning of a new video because I'm probably going to film another whole video today because I have a random amount of energy that I need to expel.
So, I will see you guys in the next video because I have to make 7 of them now. It was 7, I hope it was 7. Let's make it 8. But yeah, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Just kidding, I'm gonna do the outro differently, so I'm probably gonna be standing here while I do the outro. Not the outro, but like the song part where the things come up. Hold on, you guys will see what I'm talking about in a second. I'm gonna borrow this song from my favorite YouTuber. Don't get mad at me, senpai. But I wanted to do my outro to this song. So yeah, let's go! Okay, there are 2 videos right here. One here, one here. My face will probably be somewhere around here. You gotta click this one to subscribe, click these ones to watch it. I picked these ones especially for you. I think you'll really like them. Yeah. Pass the mic to Edgar. Can't you see? I am such a 9-year-old right now. Watch these.